Just search this. The Android one if you're using Android. Now press script add. Just follow what I'm doing. Yes, until you see the Eve1 APK, that's when you get the APK. Since I'm not allowed to show my apps or any application and information or wallpaper. I'm gonna type in here the next steps. So yeah, that's it. I gotta go. Bye.